How many times do I need to ring these people before they pick up?
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey Mick, it's Danielle. I just wanted to quickly let you know that I think that I have cracked the Mr. Johnson murder case, and I would love it if today at work we could speak at some point. Let me know, get back in touch ASAP. Thanks. Oh, I know, sweetie. I'm really sorry. Mummy's got to go to work. I will promise, okay? I promise that when I get home tonight, we are going to spend some quality time together, okay? Right, I've got to go now, so I'll see you later, okay? Excuse me, I'm looking for Mick Harper. Have you seen him anywhere? No? Oh, okay then, sorry. Sorry to bother you. Oh, hey Lily, good morning. Have you seen Mick anywhere? I've been searching for a little while. I can't seem to find him. Have you seen Mick anywhere? Sorry, I'm looking for a Mick Harper. Have you seen him? Sorry, do you happen to know where I can find Mick Harper anywhere? Mick Harper? Do you know where he is? Where the hell is he? You don't know where he is either? Thanks for your help. Mr. Mick Harper? Mick?
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Who are you? What happened? Where am I? Oh, Mrs. Jameson, it's so good to see that you're awake. You've been in a coma for quite some time. We didn't think you would make it. A coma? But Mr. Johnson, I found out who murdered him. I had it all under control. Ah, yes, the Mr. Johnson case. Well, you'll be happy to know that was solved quite a while ago. The killer, well, she's behind bars. For a long time. You need to take it easy. You collapsed after a shift from work. Your husband found you in the kitchen, in your home. You need to just focus on yourself now. Just forget about the Mr. Johnson case, okay? But who killed him? Oh, it was his wacko wife. She secretly wanted him dead for years. He was abusing her. Jesus, some of the things that man put her through. But anyway, the police didn't take too kindly to revenge. So she was put in jail a couple of months back. Wow, so I was right then. It was her.